My name's David Holkrew. I play golf. I started playing when I was about 5 years old. I started playing par 3 tournaments around 7, so I've been playing my whole life. I'd say high school is when I really started to grow into my faith and dive deeper, and then coming here to ORU actually my freshman year is when I even pushed that much more. And just the challenge of seeing everybody here just, diligently pursuing the Lord and, reading the Word and everything. To be honest, I wasn't quite sure I wanted to come here because my dad played basketball here, and so I wanted to do my own thing. But then I came down here and I said, I want to play Division I golf, but I also want to go to a Christian university. And so they just kind of intertwined, and I ended up here, and I've loved it ever since. Being a student athlete's definitely prepared me, whether I try to go professional with golf or get a job, because I've learned how to manage my time wisely. I've learned how to juggle different things of life. Pursuing the Lord in excellence, on the golf course, in the classroom, spiritually. I find that when I'm striving for excellence in all areas of my life, I'm able to achieve a higher level at individual areas versus if I just look for excellence in golf. I'm looking for excellence in my walk with the Lord on the golf course and in the classroom, and it kind of, it's almost like a competition within the areas of my life, which area can I, reach my goal that I have first. And so it helps you develop your character completely. I think I play for an eternal purpose, share my witness to my playing partners on the golf course. When we travel to tournaments, the other coaches, to my teammates, to my fellow peers here, students. And so I say Jesus is the most important part of my life. That's why I'm here at ORU. My name is David Holkrew, and I am a whole person champion.